that's why you practice your scales. Scales may seem a little dry, a little boring, but I'm telling you, that's what gets you to be able to play all the fun stuff. I actually practice my scales every day, and I have been practicing my scales since I was your age. Make sure that as you practice your scales, you play them slowly, because if you play them fast with lots of mistakes, you'll always play with mistakes. As you play your scales, try to play with the most beautiful sound possible. My favorite way to iron out kinks in scales is to do long, short rhythms. So if I'm going to play the B-flat scale, if I'm having some trouble with unevenness in my fingerings, I make it harder so that when I go back to playing it normally, it's easier. So I do long, short, long, short, long. And then I mix it up with short, long, short, long. And those are some tips for practicing your scales. Keep up the good work.